What factors make some word difficult? We are going to talk about those factors because we need to know them, because we have to address them while being in a classroom and while teaching vocabulary to our students. We need to all of those elements which make some word difficult, and we need to try those and address those difficulties. For instance, pronunciation. Pronunciation sometimes makes a word very difficult, and students, when learn some word, if pronunciation is difficult, the word carries the image and word imparts the impression, gives the impression that it is a difficult word. Because remember, सबसे पहले हम जब बोलते हैं तो क्या चीज़ हम pronunciation में जा रहे होते हैं ना. So word जब उसका pronunciation अगर difficult है, the word will give the impression that it is a difficult word. Many आप जितने भी आपके हैं words, आप देखिए अगर उनका pronunciation difficult है तो it will be difficult for you to learn that word, to write that word. अब थोड़ा सा ना उसको शन करते हैं, ठीक है. I just give you an example. For instance, आपको अगर you have to give them use a name or you have to pronounce the names of some country, तो आप देखिए आप इंग्लैंड का या पाकिस्तान का नाम pronounce करेंगे या Czechoslovakia का करेंगे. Why you will be, if you have the choice that you have to give name of one country, always you will be giving for the easy ones. So the word that has got a difficult pronunciation, it always gives and makes the impression that it is a difficult word. Okay. Then spellings. If spellings are difficult, or automatically the word will look like a difficult word. For instance, architecture. So there is no justification. Why do we have this H sound? Normally we know that C and H give the sound of ch sound. So sometimes why don't we then say archi? So why we say architecture? So H, we don't find any justification of having this H over here. Many words are there which don't have any justification of having that sound within the spellings, but उससे होता क्या है, we can't do anything about that because हम spellings को तो change नहीं कर सकते ना, they are there. तो उससे होता क्या है कि they make an impression and they give an image कि the word is difficult. Here ये है कि length and complexity. If certain word is a lengthy one, automatically it will be giving the impression of a complex one also. और जब certain stages की बात हो रही थी in consonants में and in teaching phonics, so we talked about 5 steps. And the first step was the easy one, that was simply alphabets, and the second step was the CVC words, that was consonant V and for vowel and C for consonant. So अगर आप सोचें इसके बारे में, what are CVC words and why do we have why do we include them in the initial stages? Why? Because वो आपको simple, for instance pet है, for instance dog है, तो बिल्कुल simple से words हैं. So the lengthier the word is, तो आपके वो उतना ज़्यादा वो complex होता जाता है. फिर grammar है आपकी. Grammar is also a very tricky part, you see, or sometimes we don't have any justification कि क्यों हम इसको यूज़ कर रहे हैं. एक easy example जो मैं अक्सर देती हूँ, अब देखिए हम जब इसको क्वेश्चन बनाते हैं किसी पे, आगे जाके हम इसकी पे बात करेंगे डिटेल में जब हम इसकी बात करेंगे ग्रामर की. देयर आर 2 ways ऑफ मेकिंग सम क्वेश्चन, और एक जो है जब हम शुरू में ऑक्सिलरी को लाते हैं, तो एक बात ये है, अगर हम कहें कि वुड यू प्लीज़ ओपन दिस डोर फॉर मी, तो अपेरेंटली क्या लगता है कि ये क्वेश्चन है, बट इन इंग्लिश ये रिक्वेस्ट है. नाउ देयर इज़ नो जस्टिफिकेशन कि हम क्यों वुड को हम जब शुरू में है, व्हाई डोंट वी टेक इट एज अ क्वेश्चन. सो ग्रामर भी जो है वो वर्ड्स को क्या कराती है, वो समटाइम्स उसकी वजह से भी वर्ड्स आपको क्या लगता है कि दीज आर क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट. ग्रामर इज़ ऑल्सो a tricky part, and so you see कि you can look at this figure, ये थोड़ी सी कॉमिक सी भी है कि चाइल्ड इज़ वीपिंग और वो कह रहा है कि टेंस, मूडी, irregular. So what are you are just like a verb. Then meaning also makes some word difficult, because if there is some easy meaning associated to the word, it will be easy for you, and if some difficult one is, तो आपको वो मुश्किल वो लगेगा. So these जो सारी चीज़ें हैं ये मिलके क्या करती हैं, ये can make a word difficult, and a teacher needs to keep all of these points in mind while teaching vocabulary and while conducting a lesson on vocabulary to the students, because उसके माइंड में होना चाहिए कि दिस थिंग कैन मेक द वर्ड डिफ़िकल्ट, दिस थिंग कैन मेक द डिफ़िकल्ट, एंड he or she should try to avoid these difficulties in the beginning. And again, the coming to that guideline from simple to the complex one, when you are teaching the vocabulary, start from the simple ones and then move to the complex ones, क्योंकि the simpler one जो होंगे, they must be avoiding जो simple concepts हैं, there is no difficult concept included in them. That's why we call them simple. So as a teacher, we should try to address all of these difficulties, and we should try to cope with all of these difficulties, and we should try to know कि ये students के लिए ये problems हो सकते हैं, और हमने इस point पे जो है उसको address करना है इस तरह से और इस तरीके से, इस material से, इस methodology से.